Continuing with the previous, what are vector projections? Vector projections, that is, projection is also called component of A in the direction of B. The projection of vector B on A, this is also called component of B in the direction of A. So here what is, here I am using the language component of A in the direction of B. So this is same, that is projection A dot B upon B modulus into in the direction of B, unit vector B, and component of B in the direction of A is A dot B upon A modulus whole. It is in the direction of A. The direction of A is unit vector. Direction of A is unit vector A. Then is, but where it is used in physics? What are some examples in physics? First is work done W. Work done W is the dot product of F dot S, where F is equal to force and S is equal to displacement. Here we can say force is, this F is force vector and S is displacement vector. So work done is F dot S. S is second. In physics, power is P. Power is the dot product of F dot V. This is the dot product of force and velocity. F is the force vector and V is velocity vector. So these are two examples. The dot product will be used in other lessons also. These were the examples of +1. In +2, we say electric flux, which is represented by phi E. This is given by E dot A, where E is electric field vector and A is area vector, so on. Now we will take some examples of dot product, that is numericals on dot product. So this is example 1. This is from NCERT. Find angle between force F, which is given as 3I plus 4J minus 5K, and displacement, it is written as D. 5i plus 4j minus 3k. Find the angle between these two. And second part is also find the projection of f on d. f के d पे projection भी निकाल दो. तो पहले angle between f and d. Suppose करो angle between f and d is theta. तो what is the formula for angle? What is the formula for angle? This we have studied. This is basically this is a dot b upon a modulus into b modulus. Here the vector a is f and vector b is d upon f modulus d modulus. Now what is a dot b? What is f dot d? F is 5 I cap 4 j cap plus 3 k minus 3 k cap dot f is 3i plus 4j minus 5k and d is 5 I cap plus 4 j cap minus 3 k cap. So this is equal to component of I, that is 3, into component of j, that is 5, plus component of j 4, component of j 4, plus component of I j minus 5, component of k minus 5, component of k minus 3, that is 15. That is 15 plus 16 plus 15 is equal to 46. Then what is f modulus? F modulus is 3 square plus 4 square plus minus 5 whole square under root, that is 9 plus 16 plus 25 under root, that is under root of 50. ये आ गया 5 under root 2. And what is d modulus? D modulus is 5 square plus 4 square minus 3 square under root. This also comes out 5 under root 2. Now put these values in cos theta. Cos theta is equal to f dot d. F dot d is 46 divided by f modulus 5 under root 2 multiplied by 5 under root 2. That is 46 upon, this is 5 into 5 is 25 and root 2 into 2 is under root 2. 2 से कैंसिल करके आ गया 23 upon 25. तो what is theta? Cos inverse 23 upon 25. And what is projection of f on d? Projection of f on d is f dot d upon d modulus. Okay. Here we are using the formula projection of a on b. This is, we are using the formula projection of a on b is equal to a dot b upon b modulus. Okay. So here we are applying f dot d upon d modulus. F dot d is 46 and d modulus is 5 under root 2. So this is projection of f on d. ठीक है, तो एंगल निकालना था बिटवीन फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. एफ वेक्टर दिया हुआ है और डी वेक्टर दिया हुआ है. व्हाट इज कॉस थीटा? ए डॉट बी अपॉन ए बी दैट इज एफ डॉट डी अपॉन एफ मॉडुलस डी मॉडुलस। यहाँ से एफ डॉट डी निकालना है, दोनों की डॉट प्रोडक्ट आई कंपोनेंट प्लस जे इंटू जे कंपोनेंट प्लस के इंटू के कंपोनेंट, दिस कम्स आउट 46। देन एफ मॉडुलस इसके आई कंपोनेंट स्क्वायर प्लस जे कंपोनेंट स्क्वायर प्लस के कंपोनेंट स्क्वायर, ऐसे ही डी मॉडुलस आई कंपोनेंट स्क्वायर जे कंपोनेंट स्क्वायर के कंपोनेंट स्क्वायर, कॉस थीटा में वैल्यूज पुट कर। देन प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ एफ ऑन डी क्या आएगा, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए ऑन बी का फॉर्मूला लगेगा, दैट इज ए डॉट बी, दैट इज ए डॉट बी अपॉन बी मॉडुलस। नाउ द नेक्स्ट, prove that vectors this and this are perpendicular to each other। तो लेट दोनों वेक्टर्स को पहले सपोज कर लो, a इज इक्वल टू आई कैप प्लस 2j कैप प्लस 3k कैप एंड वेक्टर b इज इक्वल टू 2i minus j। Now to prove two vectors are perpendicular to each other, we have to prove that a dot b is equal to 0। Two vectors are perpendicular to each other if their dot product is 0। That is, इसमें हम concept यूज कर रहे हैं। What is the concept? Two vectors a dot a and b are perpendicular to each other if a dot b is equal to 0। We will use this concept। So using this concept, let us find a dot b। a dot b is I plus 2j plus 3k dot 2i minus a। This is I का कंपोनेंट 1, इधर I का कंपोनेंट 2 प्लस j का कंपोनेंट 2, इस तरफ j का कंपोनेंट -1 प्लस k का कंपोनेंट 3 और दूसरे में k इज एब्सेंट दैट इज 0। तो दिस कम्स आउट 2 minus 2 इज इक्वल टू 0। सिंस a dot b is equal to 0, therefore vector a is perpendicular to vector b। This what we want to prove। Next step, determine the value of m so that vectors a and b are perpendicular। Vector a will be perpendicular to vector b if a dot b is equal to 0, or if put values of a and b 2i plus nj plus k dot 4i minus 2j minus 2k is equal to 0, or if I component 2 into I component 4 plus j component m into j component minus 2 plus k component 1 into k component minus 2 is equal to 0। That is, or if 8 minus 2m 8 minus 2m minus 2 is equal to 0, or if on solving this 2m is equal to 6, or if m is equal to 3, so a will be perpendicular to b if m is equal to 3। So this is the value for which the two vectors are perpendicular to each other। Next, find the component of vector this, find the component of this vector this along the direction of I minus j। कंपोनेंट निकालना है, लेट a is equal to 3i plus 2j and vector b is equal to I minus j। Now what is component of A along direction of B. The component of A along direction of B is A dot B upon B modulus into unit vector B. So here this is A dot B upon B modulus. What is unit vector B? Unit vector B is vector B upon vector B modulus. Now let us find A dot B. So this is 3i plus 2j dot I minus j, which is equal to 3 into 1 I component to I component plus j component 2, इधर j component है -1, that is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. What is vector A modulus? A modulus is 3 square plus 2 square under root, that is 9 plus 4 under root is equal to 13. What is B modulus? B modulus is 1 square plus minus 1 square under root, that is under root of 2. Now what is component? Component of A along direction of B is equal to, so in this formula we put the values. We have A dot B is equal to 1 upon B modulus. B modulus is under root 2 into vector B. Vector B is I minus j upon B modulus, that is under root 2. So this is under root 2 into under root 2 is 1 by 2 I minus j. This is the component of vector A in the direction of B. Next, if A plus B modulus is equal to A minus B modulus, find the angle between A and B. So just see. Squaring. Okay. This we have shown in the previous notes. Here it is. What is A plus B modulus square? Or if A square plus 2A dot B plus B square is equal to A square minus 2A dot B plus B square. This A square cancels, B square cancels. Or if two A dot B plus 2A dot B is equal to 0. Or if 4A dot B is equal to 0. Or if A dot B is equal to 0. Or if A is If dot product of two vectors is 0, A and B are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, angle between A and B is 90 degree.